Welcome, welcome to all of you. In previous lecture, we will see the various skills, business communication skills. Today we are going to see the writing skills. The entrepreneur is required the writing skills for running and managing his business. Writing skills are an important part of communication, and good writing skills allow you to communicate your message with clarity and ease to a far larger audience than through the face to face or the telephonic conversations. Okay, you might be called upon to write a report, plan or strategy at work, write a grant application or press release within a volunteering role, or you may communicating your ideas online via a blog with the help of the written communication. Today, when anyone can be their own publisher, we see more and more examples of the poor writing skills, both in the print and also on the web. Poor writing skills create a poor first impression, and many readers will have an immediate negative reaction if they spot a spelling or the grammatical mistake. As just one example, a spelling mistake on a commercial web page may cause potential customers to doubt the credibility of the website and the organization. In the writing skills, in written communication, these three things are play major role. First one, grammar, spelling and the punctuations. Then correct grammar, punctuation and spelling are keys in the written communication. In that, write, rewrite, revise, re-revise, polish and repolish your written material. For the practice of written communication, writing skills, some points. These are the ways to improve the writing skills and communication and writing skills for entrepreneur. First one, write every day. Write something people want or need to read. Then keep it simple. First, write your matter and then edit it later. Use a professional online editor. Read what you write out loudly and create the templates. These are the skills for entrepreneurs. Ways to improve the writing skills: be sure to analyze the writing of multiple competitors or others with the same target audience. One of the ways through which we express our writing skills, the verbal language, is followed by the written language. In the present age of modernization, the telephone, mobile, and other electronic media are commonly used for sending and receiving the messages. The letter writing is rarely done, and therefore people are unable to write the good letters. Illustrative letters are given to provide an idea for the writing the letters. For examples, letters, business letter, letter to inquiry, quotation orders, tenders and the complaint letters. This is all about the writing skills, and in the writing skills, the entrepreneur should remember the 8 C's of the written communication. Which are these 8 C's? First one, correctness. Second one, clarity. Third one, correctness means accuracy in writing. Clarity means the writing should be simple and clear. Conclusion means writing should be brief and precise. Then content, constant. These are the 8 C's of the written communication. Next part of the skills we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.